Ever wondered how to double your online business productivity? Well, look no further than ChatGPT. This powerful tool can automate tasks such as creating standard operating procedures, streamlining email writing, generating subject lines, creating persuasive email sequences, and even automating email replies. Firstly, it's essential to train ChatGPT in your unique voice. Think of this as tuning a guitar before a concert. Upload examples of your writing or speaking, anything from emails, podcasts, videos, or blog posts. Then, ask ChatGPT to analyze your tone, style, and sentence structure. This helps it learn your unique voice and style, preparing it to handle tasks in a manner consistent with your brand. With ChatGPT trained in your voice, the next step is to use it to create standard operating procedures, or SOPs. SOPs are critical for productivity, but many businesses avoid them due to the time it takes to document each step. With ChatGPT, you can record yourself performing a task, transcribe the video, and then generate a comprehensive and easy-to-follow SOP. Include sections like objectives, scope, procedures, responsibilities, and format it with checklist and bullet points for ease of use. Once the SOPs are in place, ChatGPT can help streamline your email writing process. Simply create a PDF of your SOPs, upload it into ChatGPT, and use specific prompts to generate emails. Remember to provide context for the AI's output by identifying the target audience and using the tone of voice and style you established earlier. ChatGPT can also generate subject lines for your email newsletters. Outline the goal and criteria for your newsletter, specify the sections and content, and then input this information into ChatGPT. It will generate subject lines that grab your readers' attention and increase engagement. Review the results, make any necessary edits, and voila! You have your newsletter ready to go. Finally, use ChatGPT to create persuasive email sequences. With the right prompts and guidance, ChatGPT can generate compelling content that will engage your readers and drive conversions. So, what are you waiting for? Give ChatGPT a try and see how it can revolutionize productivity in your online business. Remember, the key to success with ChatGPT lies in training it effectively and providing clear, specific prompts. With these in place, you'll be on your way to doubling your productivity in no time.